Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows it. Lokesh has just seen two ravens, therefore the next bird Lokesh sees will be a raven. Question: which of the following, if true, most strengthens the argument above? Raven is a kind of bird. Lokesh has just seen two ravens, therefore the next bird Lokesh sees will be a raven. This is a rather tenuous argument, but we have the tough task of strengthening it. If Lokesh has just seen two, how can we show that the next bird he sees will turn out to be a raven? If we show that ravens move in flocks, then the first two belongs to same flock and the other members of the flock would be the next likely ones to be seen by Lokesh. This will strengthen the argument. So, answer number 1, ravens tend to move in flocks, is the correct answer. Answer is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows it. Pizza World's pizza specials always come with two toppings. Every Friday, Kailash orders a special pizza from Pizza World, even though some of the toppings give him heartburn. If either onions or garlic are on the pizza, Kailash gets heartburn. Kailash never gets heartburn from a pizza with mushrooms. One Friday, Kailash ate a special pizza and did not get heartburn. The question: if all of the preceding statements are true, what must be true about the pizza Kailash ate that Friday? We read in the passage that presence of either onions or garlic causes heartburn to Kailash. Since Kailash did not have heartburn on that Friday, there was neither onions nor garlic on the pizza. This is mentioned in option number 4. Neither onions nor garlic were on the pizza. Hence, it is our correct choice. Answer to this question is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows it. If Nilesh graduated from JRD High School after 1998, then he performed community service. Question: the preceding statement is a logical consequence of which of the following statements? Option number 1 and 2 state that if a student at JRD High School performed community service, then he or she graduated after 1998. Option number 3 states that at least one of Nilesh's classmates, but not necessarily Nilesh, performed community service. Hence, they are incorrect. Now, option number 4 only makes the claim that every student after 1998 has performed community service, and this makes this statement about Nilesh's graduation correct. Hence, it is our correct choice. Answer to this question is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows it. Preeti and Leena are paid the same amount of wages per hour for working at the same company, but Preeti has a more difficult job than Leena's. Preeti argues that because her job is more difficult, the company should pay her more than it pays Leena. The question: which of the following statement best supports Preeti's argument? Preeti argues that the company should pay her more because her job is more difficult than Leena's. We are supposed to find a statement that best supports Preeti's argument. Option number 2 does this job and is correct answer because according to option 2, the company is intended to compensate more difficult jobs with higher wages. Since Preeti's job is more difficult than Leena's, she should be paid more than Leena. Our answer is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows it. Our passage is about greenhouse effect, that is about global warming. The question: which of the following, if true, casts the most serious doubt on the conclusion of the spokesperson? As per the spokesperson's conclusion, the Earth faces another ice age within the next 1,000 years, and this could cancel out the effect of global warming. The ice age is expected within the next 1,000 years, but we cannot wait for the next 1,000 years as the greenhouse effect may have begun. What if it causes damage within next 30 or 50 years? This argument would weaken the spokesperson's conclusion. Option number 2, the disastrous results of the greenhouse effect have begun to occur and will probably intensify within the next 50 years, highlights this and is the correct answer. Our answer is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.